Hello everybody and welcome to my channel AA STEAM series. I'm going to do a science experiment that I performed when I was 7 years. This was my first experiment and did not think of the science behind it. I just enjoyed the lovely colors that were formed during the experiment. I named my first video the Rainbow Experiment by 7-year-old. Today I'm going to explain the science behind the rainbow formation and name it as the Polarity Experiment. So what is polarity? In chemistry, polarity is the separation of electrical charge leading to a molecule or its chemical groups to have an electric dipole moment with a negatively charged end and a positively charged end. To understand the polarity, let's do an experiment. You need milk, 2%, and whole milk are the best choice. Food coloring, a plate or a bowl, and some dish soap. Step 1. Go ahead and pour some milk just to cover the bottom of your plate. But if you want to add more, you can add more. Okay, so I'm going to make it really good. So now for drop number 1, yellow, blue, green, last but not least, red. Finally, the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time for the grand finale. Whoa. The milk did not move. It was undisturbed, while all the colors were moving. Whoa, look at that. You see that? That's so cool. I think I might want to add one more because it looks really tempting. What about right there? Boom, 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 boom. How does the magic rainbow milk happen? Soap molecules consist of a hydrophilic, water-loving end and a hydrophobic, water-fearing end. Water molecules are polar molecules that can dissolve other polar molecules. Fat and oil molecules are non-polar molecules, so they cannot dissolve in water. Milk is a mixture of water and fat. When soap is added to the milk, it helps it to separate the water and fat in the milk. Soap is actually also connecting the fat and water molecules. As the soap molecules connect to the fat molecules, molecules of the food coloring get pushed around everywhere, resulting in an explosion of colors. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Want to learn more? And if you have not, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like. See you later. Bye. And I think I want to add more dish soap to this. Regroup. Slots. They're all slots. Ooh, there you go. I shouldn't explode. Boom, boom, boom.